Ah, who knew there was a place like this in Fula City?
Let's hurry up and find that rare Pokemon. There are a lot of trainers who saw that video.
Yeah.
Zeraora, they're after it. Hey there! What are you two guys doing all the way out here?
Hi, little girl. You from Fula City?
Have you ever seen any Pokemon you don't see anywhere else?
Sure I have.
You mean it?
So where?
That way. I never saw one like it.
Thanks for your help, sweetheart.
You're welcome. Anytime.
What's that?
A Ditto and a Teddiursa.
No, don't! If you don't hurry, that rare Pokemon will get away! Quick!
We'll just take these two first. Houndoom,
Sneasel!
go! Houndoom, use flamethrower!
Sneasel, use Icy Wind!
Hi, Zeraora! Hurry up!
Hey, I've never seen that Pokemon before.
It's the rare one!
Use Fire Fang!
Use Slash!
Zeraora! It's too much! Your wounds still haven't healed yet!
Wow, it's fast.
Hey, but it looks like it's already wounded.
Yeah, now's our chance. Sneasel, Ice Shot!
All right, Houndoom, follow that with flamethrower.
Zeraora, wake up! Zeraora, they'll catch you!
Time to wrap this up. What?
You okay, Margot? You were awesome all by yourself.
Ash, you're here?